This brand is made in China and can be purchased through the manufacturer's Amazon store, but the warranty on the compressor is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient because conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They offer 8,000 and 10,000 BTU models, but they do not use self-evaporating technology and so require periodic dumping a condensate bucket. The units have manually adjusted louvers, which does not do as good of a job of circulating the air throughout the room, and they are rather loud in operation with a noise rating of 65 decibels, which is above the level of normal adult conversation. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.